We're here today to congratulate and celebrate our 5 innovative finalists who made it to the 3rd stage of the 23-24 Duquesne New Venture Challenge. Now in its 5th year, the DNVC has grown into one of the premier business plan competitions in our region, and it offers much needed support for early stage new ventures.
So now let's announce the winners. Winning $3,000, Dashcam bike. Winning $3,000, Flow Solutions. Winning $5,000, Velo AI. Winning $10,000, Revitalize Energy. And the first place winner of the 2023-2024 Duquesne New Venture Challenge, winning $20,000, is Aquatonomy.